How to plan a healthy dinner party, menu ideas, tips, and recipes. Need healthy recipe ideas for an upcoming dinner party. Raw vegetables with garlic white bean hummus. Mixed green salad with fresh herbs, fennel, orange, and citrus vinaigrette. Braised chicken and vegetables with white wine. Fresh berries with balsamic glaze and maple almond yogurt. Whenever I host a dinner party, I find that guests really do appreciate the light, fresh, healthy fare that I like to serve. And they do leave the table feeling special but not stuffed. The time and effort that you devote to preparing a meal for friends is a gift in itself. And what better gift than a meal that's both delicious and healthy? How to host a healthy dinner party at home. The food you serve is, of course, the highlight of your healthy dinner party. 1. Feature colorful foods. 2. Surprise your guests with unique ingredients. 3. Add creativity to your presentation. 4. Set the mood. What does a healthy party menu look like? When planning my healthy dinner party menu, I like to make things that don't require a lot of last-minute fussing in the kitchen. I don't go heavy on appetizers, because I want guests to still have an appetite when they sit down for the meal. We'll start off light with an appetizer of raw vegetables and a delicious twist on hummus, then begin the meal with a beautiful mixed green salad with a few special ingredients. Appetizer, raw vegetables with garlic white bean hummus. This hummus is made with cannellini beans, which are mild in flavor and very tender, so the texture is super smooth. I like to pump up the flavor with a lot of lemon and garlic. Ingredients: 2 cans, 15-ounce, 425 grams, cannellini or small white beans. 4 TBSP olive oil. 4 cloves garlic, lightly smashed with the side of a knife. Juice of 1 lemon. Half cup, 12 grams, fresh basil leaves. 3/4 teaspoon salt, or to taste. Freshly ground pepper. Fresh vegetables for dipping: sliced cucumber, carrot, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, celery stalks, lightly steamed asparagus spears, broccoli florets. Instructions: drain liquid from beans, rinse under cold water, and drain thoroughly. Put beans, olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, basil, salt, and pepper into a blender or food processor and blend until thoroughly smooth. Serve with vegetable dippers. Note: for a really attractive presentation, I like to serve the hummus in a bowl made from a small, hollowed-out head of purple cabbage, or you could use a bell pepper. Mixed green salad with fresh herbs, fennel, orange, and citrus vinaigrette. Everyday salads are usually just some mixed greens with dressing, but adding a few unusual ingredients, like fresh dill, shaved fennel, and orange slices, makes this salad dinner party worthy. For the salad dressing: 1/3 cup, 80 milliliters, extra virgin olive oil. 3 TBSP fresh lemon juice. 1 teaspoon sugar, honey, or agave syrup. 1 teaspoon grainy mustard. Salt and freshly ground pepper to taste. 2 fresh oranges, peeled, cut in half and thinly sliced. Instructions to follow: place all dressing ingredients in the bottom of a salad bowl large enough to hold the salad ingredients and mix well with a spoon or whisk. Serve them in different dishes. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe and share this video in your community. Get free workout and tips for healthy life in your inbox. Click the link in description of this video.